There are some very interesting happening behind the scenes and on the charts for cryptocurrencies. And in this video, we are going to be discussing what exactly this is, because this is very important. You need to hear this information. What's up, Miles? It's ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos. And if you love cryptocurrencies, go ahead and smash up the like button. It really helps to support the channel. But most importantly, to get these videos out to people who need to hear this information. Now, if you want to get access to the most profitable crypto trading community in the world, go ahead and join the Patreon. We have a free Telegram. We have VIP Discords. We have a whole bunch of stuff over there, including day trade alerts for cryptocurrencies. You can message me, you can talk to me on the phone, we can go over your current portfolio. We put trade alerts out for new cryptocurrencies, fair launches, where people are making crazy gains like we've been making with baby Lambo just the last couple of days. This thing is continuing to rocket like crazy. And if you want to learn technical analysis, you want to learn how to chart, how to trade cryptocurrencies like a pro, you learn all of my secrets, go ahead and join the link below. It's called milesginvestments.teachable.com. Make sure you check out all the links in my video description. A lot of them can help you make money in crypto, some of which you can actually get free money, especially with WEBULL. Go ahead and click my WEBULL link, deposit 1 penny with my link below, and they will send you 2 free stocks worth up to $3,500, which you can immediately sell and buy cryptos with. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive straight into the content. So if we take a look at CoinMarketCap, we can see the crypto market had took a little dip today. Nothing crazy, but we've been watching this chart. We've been watching the cryptocurrency market and chart recover, start to make some really big moves here. And as we are seeing, we are still in a recovery. Things are bullish ever since the drop we had a couple of weeks ago. About January 24th was the bottom of the market so far. And what we are seeing is higher highs and higher lows. So the chart is looking bullish. So we've been green for several days, and you always can't be green forever. You can't go green for most of the time. So what we've been noticing is that the Bitcoin chart actually failed to make a higher high today. There was a little bit of a dip today in the crypto market, especially with Bitcoin, and we need to be very wary of what actually is happening. And since Bitcoin failed to make a higher high, this isn't the end all, but at least in the immediate short term, which is just referring to the next couple of days, within the 30-minute time frame or the 1-hour time frame, we are seeing Bitcoin get a rejection up here, and we are failing to make a higher high. So we're taking a very close eye on what's actually happening behind the scenes in the crypto market. And if Bitcoin fails to bounce up from here and to continue to go down lower, this means that we could see a bigger dip here very soon, at least this week, maybe a 10% dip. We could see a little bit of a correction, and still probably continue to hold up bullish. But we must be very wary. We must be careful and not put all of our money in, because you never want to invest what you can't afford to lose. But just know that nothing in this video is financial advice, just my own opinions. But what we must be careful is if the crypto market is going to take another dip, because if it's going to take another significant dip, traders, you would probably want to be exiting your positions based on how the charts look, and also getting ready for a lot of you people that are long-term holders and DCAers, where you dollar cost average by buying the dips to lower your cost average of all of your crypto prices. But you just want to be careful and ready, and not only necessarily careful, but you just want to be ready for the next opportunities in the crypto market. So if Bitcoin continues to go down lower and we do end up seeing another correction, we could have a correction in some of the smaller coins like Dogecoin and Shibainu. And that's going to provide for a lot of us, especially who are here for the long-term, really big buying opportunities. So whenever there is potential volatility, it's always good to maybe loosen up some cash, get some cash ready, get some chips ready for some of these future dips that may actually end up coming here soon. But as far as everything else is looking, the charts, at least for the altcoins, are looking pretty bullish, at least in this small little time frame. But we do know that there could be a dead cat bounce, and we also know that we could easily come down after this bounce, as we are seeing here. That's certainly a possibility. But as of the last couple of days, it has been looking bullish. That's what I've been pointing out to you, and we've been seeing some nice gains in the Patreon by buying some of these dips. But we must be completely aware that the market here very soon could see a downturn. But there are still some very good things. And a lot of you guys are fearful. A lot of people are fearful on the internet about cryptocurrency regulation. But what we can actually see, as Michael Saylor is pointing out, and as I've been speaking to you all the last several months, crypto regulations, or clear crypto regulations, as Michael Saylor puts in this interview, would actually help to speed institutional adoption. And what that actually means is Regulations, when they are more clear, when they are more defined for cryptocurrencies, will allow big whales, Wall Street, institutions, banks to get more involved in cryptocurrencies. So a lot of the fear and FUD concerning crypto regulation shouldn't be as feared as a lot of people are trying to put it out to be. So a lot of crypto investors are actually trying to embrace, to a degree, some facets, some parts of crypto regulation, because some of these regulations can actually allow more bigger people to jump in the crypto space, which would literally bring billions and potentially trillions of dollars into the crypto market in a very short period of time. So that's just an interesting point to note out. But here we have a tweet, and this tweet is discussing the current market conditions. What are the next possibilities for the crypto market? And what he is pointing out is that it is very possible that we could see another significant dip in the crypto market. There's people that are bullish, they have bullish scenarios. There's people that are bearish and they have bearish scenarios. So there's all different types of people in the crypto market, and we must be open to both sides of the puzzle. Because if we only think things are bullish while they're bearish, we can miss out on a lot of opportunities. Because if the market is going to be extremely bearish, and if there's a big correction coming, we could potentially sell at the top, let the market crash, bottom out, and then make a re-entry, saving some money and actually getting some more coins for free. And that is some of the things that we do in the Patreon. And that is what it is potentially looking like. But I'm really paying a close eye to Ethereum. We're keeping a close eye on the Ethereum chart, because we are starting to see the Bitcoin dominance wane, which actually means that Bitcoin is starting to become more bearish and not as positive, not as bullish as a lot of these altcoins. And the altcoins are looking more bullish than Bitcoin. So when that happens, that could potentially be signaling for us in altcoin season, so that Bitcoin actually will go down, and a lot of these small coins like Dogecoin, Shibainu, Ethereum, Litecoin, whatever it is, these small coins, especially the really good ones, will actually go up while Bitcoin consolidates or goes down. So we're going to be keeping a close eye and seeing if that is also a near possibility. Now continue to watch and give this video a thumbs up if you've gotten something so far out of this video. But what we must be completely aware of in watching the Ethereum chart, watching the Bitcoin chart, looking at some of these altcoin charts, is we must be aware that there could be another dip, there could be another potential, some more volatility, there could be some more corrections coming. So we want to be very careful, and in my videos I will constantly alert you where I think we are most likely headed based on technical analysis as we look at these charts. And so by having all of this news, by having all of this technical analysis, we can have a very good idea and understanding on where we are headed in the cryptocurrency market. But yes, if there's going to be a correction here, whether it's within the next couple of weeks or whatever it is, yes, we may come down again, right? That's certainly a possibility. That's a bearish scenario. But also what is very likely is by the end of the year, or at some point this year, there's going to be probably really big pumps in the crypto market, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shibainu, and so forth. And by even hodling through all of this volatility, we will be able to make really big gains most likely this year. And I'm thinking there's going to be 2 huge pumps in the crypto market this year, as last year there was several. What do you all think about that? And let me know in the comments below. Now that's going to be it for today's video. If you got something out of the video, go ahead and smash the like button. Share this video with a friend or family member, and I will see you all later. Have a great night.